Your bank's core ledger might still be running on a 1970s mainframe in COBOL. So why is it Java, not COBOL, not something newer that banks reach for to build almost everything wrapped around that core? Let's break down what makes Java earn that role. Think of it like a bank vault. The mainframe is the vault in the basement. Nobody touches it directly. Java builds everything around it: the lobby, the tellers, the mobile app, the security checks. That's the layer we're talking about today. First, platform independence. Java code compiles into something called bytecode, not directly into instructions for one specific computer, but into a universal format. Any device running a Java Virtual Machine, or JVM, can execute that same bytecode, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or an embedded device. Write once, run anywhere. For a bank, that means the same reliable codebase can run consistently across thousands of servers without introducing new risk every time it's deployed somewhere new. Second, strong typing. In Java, every variable has a fixed type: an integer, a string, a custom object, and the compiler checks this before the program ever runs. If you try to assign text to a number field, Java stops you immediately at compile time, not 3 months later in production. For a bank processing millions of transactions, catching bugs early is a requirement. Third, a mature ecosystem. 3 decades of refinement means frameworks like Spring Boot and a massive base of experienced developers, so teams build on infrastructure that's already been battle-tested at scale, not experimenting from scratch. These tools mean teams aren't experimenting. They're building on infrastructure that's already been battle-tested by thousands of large-scale systems before them. But Java has real costs too. First, verbosity. Java requires more code to express the same idea than many modern languages. A basic hello world needs a class definition and a full method signature before you even print a line, where Python needs just one line. Second, boilerplate. A simple data class traditionally needs a constructor, getters, setters, and a toString method, lines that don't express real logic, just scaffolding. Newer Java versions ease this with features like records, but plenty of existing code still carries the weight. Third, startup time. Because the JVM has to load and warm up before code runs at full speed, Java applications are typically slower to start than languages like Go or Node.js. In a serverless environment, where a function might spin up fresh for every request, that startup delay is a real disadvantage, one reason fast-moving startups reach for lighter tools. So the pattern is clear. Java trades faster iteration for long-term reliability and a battle-tested ecosystem. That's why it's the language banks trust to build everything around their unshakable decades-old cores, and why a startup racing to ship an MVP might reach for something lighter instead.